What's going on, guys? Welcome to a second Java tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm gonna introduce you Java variables. So let's go, guys. So guys, variables like containers used for storing something. Like we have variables for storing numbers, we have variables for storing characters and text. So let's start from variables used for storing numbers. We have a variable called byte, which stores a number between -128 to 127, and we have a short which is used for numbers like between -32,000 till 32,000 and plus minus. And we have an int, which is an integer, and it stores like a number between -2 billion till 2 billion. And if you want to store, guys, like really big numbers, like very big numbers, you use a long variable type, and it's used for storing very big numbers. For the most part, you will be using an integer, an int, and long. Personally, I use integer, but if I want to store really big numbers, I use long. But I've never used byte and short. Guys, you cannot put like numbers like 30,000 into a byte, or maybe short variables value into a byte, because byte cannot store numbers above 127. So guys, you cannot put giraffe on top of rabbit, right? So but the opposite, you can do that. You can put rabbit on top of giraffe. So the same here in Java, you can put bytes value into short, or short's value into an integer, but the opposite cannot be done. So guys, open up your Eclipse and we'll do some practice. So first of all, you need to create a project. You can do that by right clicking on file, by left clicking on file, new, and Java project, and just give it a name and just save it. Then inside this project, like I have already created it, and I call solid learn. Inside this project, I just right click on source and new and package, and give it a name. I have already created a package, and left click on that package, new, and class, and give it a name. I have already gave it a name variable, and just click on that public static void main, or just you can type it. So let's start. First of all, let's start from byte. In order to declare the byte, we need to first of all type byte and give the name. So you can give it a name like variable var1, and if you want to store like a number, you should assign it. In order to assign, we use an equal sign, which is an assignment operator in Java, and let's give it a value 120. So now the variable called var1, which is a type of byte, stores a number 120. If you want to output, use system out print line, and just type variable's name var1. And always, as you know, guys, we end our statements with a semicolon. So put the semicolon and let's run it, guys. So here is the 120 on the console view, and now let's just store our 150. What will happen? We'll see. 150. As you know, guys, the bytes maximum value is 127, so we cannot store 150. Now it's showing an error here. So let's run it, and we will see an error popping up. So here's the guys error, which says cannot convert from integer to byte. So it's saying that it cannot store like 150. Its maximum value is 127. So let's just replace byte with integer. Now everything is okay. Let's run it, guys. So as you see, guys, 150, and we successfully just output to the console view. And now let's work with characters. We use a char variable to store single character, char, and give it a name like maybe character or maybe char. Let's char and assign a value. We just put values inside single quotes for characters, like maybe A. And if you want to output this, we put variable's name. And let's run it, guys. Oh, we forgot to end with a semicolon here. Let's run it. So A is outputted, guys. So you can store characters with a character variable inside this single quotes. You cannot put double quotes. If you put double quotes, it will show you an error. So you should always store character inside this single quote. And the last one, guys, is a string. String is a sequence of characters. You can store character or characters or tags inside the string. String is with a capital letter. So give it a name, like maybe if you want to store name, give it a name and assigned value. Guys, we you should put whatever you want inside double quotes for string. For characters we put inside single quotes, but for strings we put inside these double quotes. So give it a name like Anthony and end with the semicolon. So if you want to output this name, like my name is, and put space. And if you want to join that name, we use a plus sign, which is used to concate to join, and you put plus and the name of a variable. So now it should output my name is Anthony. As you see, guys, here it output my name is Anthony, and we use plus sign to concatenate two strings, to join two strings. So lastly, let's replace this var1 with an age and put here 20 and output this to the console, like my age is, and concatenate join with a plus sign and name of the variable age, and it should show now my name is Anthony, my age is 20. So yeah, that's everything what we expected, guys. So everything is good now here. So that's the end of our tutorial, guys, and the next lesson we'll learn about other types of variables. And I have a task for you guys here, and here's the task. You should complete this task. And also, guys, you can download this task in I will leave the link below, so you can download the task and all that stuff. I'll leave them in the link below. So guys, if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And that's it, guys. See you in the next tutorial.